So, Crumb Boss, this is a very, very, very cool little thing you got going on down here. What do you like? There's chocolate, there's vanilla, there's little chips around them. Uh-oh, looks like it's a cake pop.
Cake pops, Crumb Boss.
Yeah, oh, you just flipped the cake.
Oh, I was just flipping cake.
Okay, all right, put it back in the thing. Let's show everybody how to make something.
Don't play with your food, everybody.
I know. I used to make racetracks in my mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mother would be like, "Why don't you put them in your mouth, Stephanie?" Because my mouth was always going.
Too busy talking. Can't eat. These are chocolate chip cake pops. Building on recipes. Get yourself the Crumb Boss vanilla cake recipe. You only need about 1 8-inch layer. Go to Crumb Boss buttercream recipe. You need about 2 cups of it. Get yourself some chocolate chips and you've got cake pops. Here's my cake. I just mashed it all up because that's what you do when you make cake pops. Then I put my chocolate chips in there. And over here in my big master bucket of buttercream, I'm going to take about 2 cups of it. That's about 1.5 cups.
Yeah.
That's about 2 cups.
Okay.
And then mash it all up.
You're going to mash it all up. Okay.
Yeah.
But how did you get them these pretty colors?
Oh, well, I dipped, because I was so indecisive this afternoon about which way I should go.
What does that mean, indecisive?
Couldn't decide
Okay.
if I wanted to dip them in white or in chocolate, so I did both.
Oh, okay.
Thank God for bipolar. Right? Hey, just do both.
Exactly.
That's what I say. If you can't decide, just be both.
Exactly.
All right.
Okay.
So here's my mixture. Okay?
Yes.
Cake pop method. This
That
is going to be
looks
a
really
new
good.
method. You know how I talk about creaming method?
Yeah.
Alternating creaming method? Like all these different
Biscuit hands.
mix methods.
I'm
Well,
afraid of biscuit hands.
we just created a new method called cake pop method.
Cake pop method.
So you
yes.
mix it like a cake pop, which
Okay.
basically means throw it on
But
all,
you
throw
make-
it all in a bowl.
Yeah, throw it all in a bowl. But you make giant cake pops.
I do.
You don't make little cake pops.
Hey, I don't mess around.
No, because you want to give the customer enough.
Yeah, that's
you
right.
know?
I think ours are really nice and hearty.
Look at them, they're
You know, that's
beautiful.
the comment that I get in the store a lot is that wow, these are not like Starbucks and they're double the size.
That's what all you get. Exactly.
All right, so you're gonna roll them into balls. just like
Starbucks
I
are
did.
dust balls.
Have you had it?
Yeah, I tried it once. Well, first of all, I don't drink coffee, so it's very rare that I go into
That you go
Starbucks or go even near 10 feet near a Starbucks,
Yeah.
okay, because I don't like the smell of coffee.
I gotta just get my.
Okay, she's got to get something. So I'll just talk about my coffee for a second. But the whole reality is that I did buy a cake pop in Starbucks. You know, I don't know, 6-7 months ago, and honestly, it was just like it was like a dust ball. There's nothing in it. They like use cake.
I know.
And
well,
they don't.
and not a lot of icing. That's the thing. To me, it was
Yeah.
very dry. When I first came upon cake
Yeah.
pops, because I basically did steal the idea from Starbucks.
No. Gretchen, come on.
Well, no, I went there. I was like, ooh, cake pop. And I tried one. I was like, ooh, cake pop. And then I made my own, and they're so much better.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. But
All
you
right.
still go to Starbucks and buy your coffee.
Oh, I love coffee from Starbucks.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I rolled my cake pops into balls. You want to freeze these for about an hour, at least an hour. And then you're going to take your chocolate with your stick, drop it in there like that. Okay. And this is where I said, I was like, should I do it in white chocolate or dark chocolate? So I did both.
Okay. Cool.
All right.
So you sync them like I did in my Oreo cookie.
And
pops.
I just dunk them to kind of get the excess chocolate off of
See,
there.
you make cake pops, but the producer makes cookie pops.
That's right. Yours were cookie pops.
Mine make
Oreo cookie pops.
Oreo cookie pops. I'm
Right.
gonna go back on and make another episode real soon.
Okay.
I don't know when,
So?
because we just filmed the Old
Ooh,
Testament.
watch what's going to happen here. It's going to be a little swirly.
Nice. How do you do that?
Well, because I dipped my stick in chocolate,
Yeah.
and then I dipped it into the white chocolate, and so that's going to make a little swirl.
Oh,
So, but
cool.
anyway, I didn't do that intentionally, but hey,
Yeah.
we just invented something else.
Exactly. But again, you guys have to realize you must freeze them when you make them, and then put them back into, dip it in the chocolate. There she goes, drizzle, 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 little drizzle, drizzle. They're beautiful, Gretchen.
things.
Oh, that's awesome.
Just don't get it all over the stick like I just did.
Yeah, like you did in your kitchen and you took the paint and threw it all over your wall.
Oh, yeah. That's what the paint on my wall looks like in my kitchen. You're right.
Exactly. She was having a cake pop meltdown.
Yeah, I woke up one morning. I was like, I'm going to paint the kitchen wall. And I just started throwing the paint everywhere.
Yeah.
It's cool, though.
Yeah, it does look cool. Yeah, it was only about 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was all over my sweatshirt. It was all over my hair.
Yeah.
Then I went back to bed.
Yeah. You woke up and
I woke up, I was like, whoa, where did that come from? I paint in my sleep. All right, everybody, chocolate chip, what is this?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip cake pops.
Yeah, hold it down lower so we can show our fans. Okay, here we go. And also, I'd like
let's
to
cut one open.
Okay. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to Catherine Little from Texas, Dallas. And it's Steph, the producer, and the Crumb Boss. We know who you are. We see your comments on.
We know who you are.
Yep.
We see your comments. You better stop.
Now, stop it, Gretchen. Everybody's nice. We're not going to have any fan. We're going to get 500,000 hits and have no fans yet, dummy.
Check it out.
I want to taste it.
Yeah, chocolate chip cake pop.
Chocolate chip cake pop.
So anyway, sorry about that. Catherine Little, Facebook. We love you. You're awesome.
Oh, my God. Your ratio to cake to buttercream
is fabulous.
It is sick. It is. At one bite of this cake pop will put you in heaven.
That's right.
Holy Christmas.
Crumb Boss.
Yeah. Get on the bus.
500,000 hits, everybody.
Way to go, Gretchen.